Here are the common 7 problems faced by PhD students, and in this video we'll discuss how the student will tackle them. Problem number 1, choosing a topic instead of choosing a problem. जनरली स्टूडेंट बोलते हैं ये टॉपिक हमें हमारे सुपरवाइजर ने दिया है, इस वजह से वी आर वर्किंग ऑन इट. सॉल्यूशन, इंस्टेड ऑफ चूजिंग अ टॉपिक, उन्हें उस प्रॉब्लम पे काम करना चाहिए दैट हैज बीन नॉट आंसर्ड बाय साइंटिफिक कम्युनिटी. उस क्वेश्चन को फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए जो आपके पर्टिकुलर नीश में आंसर नहीं हुआ है, एंड व्हाई डज इट मैटर्स. Point number 2, following the supervisor too closely. See, a good supervisor is extremely important for your PhD, but PhD requires an independent thinking or scientific thinking of yours. So, what is the solution? Whenever your supervisor gives you direction, student must investigate. Student challenge the assumptions, and then student develop their own questions. By this way, the student get more strength in their own niche. Then the third problem is reading paper randomly. See, जब हम randomly papers पढ़ते हैं उससे हमें knowledge तो बहुत हो जाती है, but हमारा focus lose हो जाता है. So, if we want to focus on our problem, so first we have to make a research map. Now, what is research map? In research map, first you have to find your own field. Then, what would be the major problems? Next, कौन-कौन सी प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस हो चुकी हैं और जिन पे रिसर्च हो चुकी है. नेक्स्ट वुड बी कौन हैं जिनको अभी टच नहीं किया गया है बाय द साइंटिफिक कम्युनिटी. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट वुड बी द रिसर्च गैप. उस रिसर्च गैप के बाद आपकी प्रॉब्लम आती है, एंड देन योर एक्सपेरिमेंटल डेटा इज रेडी. So, if you follow this research map and then focus on reading the papers, then it will take less time to get more knowledge about your own problem and about your own niche. Point number 4 is publication pressure. See, जो PhD students होते हैं publication को बहुत as a pressure feel करने लगते हैं. Like, if we have to complete our PhD, हमें publication चाहिए. Instead of, you need to focus on whatever research you are doing, उससे सोसाइटी को इस सिनेरियो में क्या रिजल्ट्स मिल रहे हैं, क्या बेटरमेंट मिल रही है. अगर आपका फोकस इस पे ज्यादा रहे तो दैट वुड बी बेटर फॉर योर ओन PhD एंड फॉर योर ओन पब्लिकेशन एज वेल. Point number 5 is limited research infrastructure. See, in India, some institutes have excellent facility, while others struggle with advanced instruments and reliable research support. So, what would be the solution? The solution lies in point number 6. Now, point number 6 is weak scientific networking. See, research does not only happen inside the lab. Solution is conferences, seminars, international workshops. These are very important part of your PhD. See, when you meet with the researchers from the different field, you will get to know the different perspective of thinking, and in the same manner, you will get the solution of point number 5. See, point number 7. The problem is fear of being wrong. Self-doubt is very common in humans, but and researcher has the ability to say, I don't know. And then how can I get to know about that? PhD is a journey where you have to train yourself to live comfortable inside that uncertainty. Maybe जो results आपको आज मिले हैं वो कल ना मिले. Maybe tomorrow you will get the result. So uncertainties is always there in PhD. So problems तो हैं सबके साथ, बस नजरिए की है बात. Thank you.